Here's how to scrape the seats of Ticketmaster without any coding knowledge. For this, we'll use the Ticketmaster scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on the extension. Then press Extract Seats. As you can see, we extracted all the seats. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. You can also change the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page. Then, scrape the data again. Make sure this pop-up is open. Then press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here's our new customized data.